I really hope you're not going to start, my friend. So look, I can hear you. That's you. I recognize you, bro. There's a bird out there, right? I don't know if you can hear him. Where's he? There he was. Right. There he goes again. Now, I don't want no harm to come to any animals. There he goes again. But this bird, not a word of a lie. There he goes again. He's got a lovely sound to him. I give him his... He just doesn't... Fucking hell. Obviously... Look at him. Obviously, he's doing something wrong. He's not getting his dick bird wet or something. I don't know. So he keeps singing to the ladies. He's over there. And obviously he's not getting enough action. So he's going to have to keep doing it and doing it. Until he gets his bird dick wet or something. But, like I said just now, I don't want to see no harm come to this guy, but I'm ready, and I'm already fucking cracked. Can please some fucking kill this fucking bird. I'm not the only one complaining in his fucking house. He just doesn't stop. And that does sound like him. It could be a different bird, but it sounds exactly like him. 4 o'clock in the fucking morning, he kicks off. And what are we now? 6:05 in the afternoon, and he's still at it. And it's been like weeks and weeks. It's been like nearly 2 months. I don't know where he's come from. I don't know what his beef is. If he's really trying to get a lady, obviously he's doing something fucking wrong. I don't know where he is, but he's so close, he's so fucking loud. There's so many birds out there in the countryside. Where is he? It just sounds like he's above me. I think he's actually... Where's you, bro? He does sound like he's over there, but high. So he might be on my fucking roof. I just can't fucking take it. Obviously, like I said, he's not doing a very good job. He's not getting his bird dick wet. He's not singing too well. Well, actually, to me as a human, he sounds absolutely fucking beautiful. For the bird, you're spot on, bro. Maybe for the ladybirds, I don't know, maybe it's not good enough for them. And he keeps trying for... But it's really getting to everybody in this fucking household. Me especially. 4 o'clock in the morning it starts. I can see you don't fucking play PlayStation. Until like fucking 1 in the fucking morning. Oh, I don't think that bird got a fucking laptop either. I know, but still, I know it's a joke. But come on, bird. You're doing my fucking head in, flower. Shut up. Thank you. If you don't shut up, I'll fucking hire someone to fucking assassinate you, bro. And then your fucking dick will be fucking red.